To make a rubbing, you will need to find some objects that have some kind of a tactile, actual texture. Things that are bumpy. Leaves work really well, and this is an iPad cover that has kind of an embossed design. You'll also need some crayons that have been stripped of their paper edges so that you can rub them on the side. So we take a piece of just regular computer paper. And let's start with this iPad case here. And you just lay that paper down and just rub it. And you'll see an image of the texture of the object that you're rubbing. Let's try a leaf with a different color. Try to collect as many different interesting textures as you can. Let's see if this leaf works here. There's even a texture on my table here. So when we do rubbings, we are making an implied texture from an actual texture.